2021, I think the FBM KLCI will be continued to spur on by the improving earnings growth outlook. Okay, hence, we have set the 1770 as our next target, okay, for next year, based on the Bursa Malaysia average PE about 16.5 times. Okay, and then we still believe the recovery mode to persist on the vaccine development. All right, and certainly the broad-based realignment of portfolio to continue. Okay, particularly with the financial, plantation, and tourism-related companies in the forefront.